In today's video, I want to share with you coconut water cleansing that you should do for you to be successful. Okay, I will share with you tips and tricks on how you can do it for you to be successful. If you have been experiencing failures in so many areas of your life, if you have not been successful for once in your life, you need to do this spiritual recipe. You need to do this spiritual assignment if you really want to be successful. Okay, using only coconut water, okay, to cleanse yourself. I will share with you step by step the tips and the tricks that you should know that will help you to be successful. Okay, so if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Gideon and I share spiritual tips here in this channel. Please do well to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you like my teaching. Okay, if you notice that you have always experienced failure in so many areas of your life, maybe in your business, in your career, your job, and all the rest of it, you have not been successful in any area of your life, you need to do this cleansing. Okay, this is a spiritual assignment that you should do to help yourself. Okay, if you have been doing other cleansing and it have not worked for you, I challenge you to try this one. You will see a big difference. You will see a testimony. Okay, if you really want to be successful. Okay, so in this video I will share with you step by step on how you can do it. So keep watching this video to the end as I review to you how you should do it. So keep watching. Welcome back. A lot of people don't know that coconut water have spiritual benefit. So many people are not aware that coconut water, that you can use it to remove negativities, to remove failure in your life. Okay, but there is a way you are going to use that coconut water. You don't just go and get coconuts and start using the water like that. There are tips and tricks that you should apply before you will see the result. Okay, this is a very powerful spiritual tip that you should take serious. Okay, if you are experiencing failure in your life. Okay, so what you should do is to get a coconut. Okay, now you are going to get a coconut directly from the coconut tree. Okay, a matured coconut, that is what you will be needing, not the one that is matured. Coconut that is still amateur, that is not yet mature, that has enough water in it. Okay, you are going to get it from the tree, and when you get it from the tree, you are not going to allow it to touch the ground, because once it touches the ground, it has spoiled. Like, yeah, the power, the effectiveness of it have, gone away from it. Okay, so you need to get it directly from the tree and make sure that it doesn't touch the ground. Okay, now you are going to open that coconut from the head. Okay, now you bring out that water of that coconut. Okay, now when you are going to bring out that water, you are going to be keeping either the bucket or the bowl that you're using to put the water. You're going to keep it on top of a table, okay, or anything that you can keep it on top of, but make sure that it doesn't touch the ground. Okay, now once you have put the water there, you are going to use that water to wash your head, you wash your hand, you wash your face, you wash your leg. Okay, and as you're washing your leg, you'll be saying your intention that whatever thing that has been causing failure in your life, that today you're washing it off. Okay, let the universe hear your voice. Let God Almighty perfect this spiritual assignment that you are saying, that you are doing. Okay, these are the things that you'll be saying as you are washing your head, your hand, your face, and your leg with that coconut water. Okay, make sure you get coconut water directly from the coconut tree. You are going to be needing 2 coconuts. Okay, 2 coconut, that is the quantity, okay, of the coconut that you are going to use. Just 2 coconuts directly from the coconut tree. Don't allow it to touch the ground. Okay, and make sure when you are pouring the water out from the coconut, you are going to keep the bucket or bowl that you are using on top of a table or anything that will make that water not to reach the ground. Okay, so use that water, wash your face, your head, your hand, and your legs. Okay, do these spiritual assignments anytime you can do it. Okay, but make sure that you follow the principle, the rules of these coconuts. Okay, make sure that coconut doesn't touch the ground. Make sure that you pour the water inside bowl or bucket, keeping it on top of something. Okay, don't allow it to touch the ground, because once it touches the ground, that's power that coconuts have, it will no longer be effective. You no longer get the result that you're looking for. Okay, do this and make sure that you are saying something. Say your intention. Okay, so that the universe and God Almighty will perfect it for you. Okay, this way that you see that we speak, the words we speak has power. Okay, so you say something, okay, so that you will see the result. Okay, concerning your career, your job, your business, and all the rest of it. Sorry. So make sure that you do this spiritual assignment and you see it working for you with just coconut. Okay, use it and cleanse your face, your hand, your head, your leg. Okay, that is the parts of your body that you should use the coconuts on. Okay, don't use it on any other part of your body. Okay, take notes: your head, your face, your hand, and your legs. Okay, make sure you do this spiritual assignment only once, but make sure you get 2 coconuts. Okay, that's the quantity of coconut you get, 2. Okay, and do it only once, and you see the testimony that will come after doing this spiritual assignment. All right, so if you have any question that you want to ask regarding this video, if you do not understand any part of this video, you can use the comment section to drop your question. I will reply you. Okay, so that is how it is done, and make sure you subscribe to this channel for more spiritual tips. All right, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.